Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, October 26, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast is cinnamon roll. For lunch is chicken bites. Today for Wednesday for breakfast is waffles, and lunch country fried beef. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. Students, for this week, remember you must still wear your masks. Today's late duty is Miss Moore. Tomorrow is Miss Heichman. Thursday is Waller, and Friday is Miss Shaver. The word of the day is numerator. The numerator is the number written above the line in a fraction. It tells how many equal parts are described in the fraction. So for this example, 1/3, the numerator is the top number. It is the equal parts described in the fraction. The bottom number, the denominator, is always the equal parts in the whole part of the figure. Okay, so in the circle, 1/3 is shaded. One piece out of 3 is shaded. The numerator is the number on the top of the fraction. Important dates. This week is the book fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th is PST and 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th, Read for the Record. October 29th is Feel Good Friday and the fundraiser ends. November 3rd is the Sunnyside Theater Play for pre-K through 2nd grade. And also PD during extended PE. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th, No School for Veterans Day. And November 12th is World Kindness Day. This is Red Ribbon Week. Today we are socking it to drugs. Tomorrow we'll team up against drugs and wear our favorite team shirt. Thursday we're too bright for drugs. We're going to wear sunglasses. And Friday, I would rather read than do drugs. We're going to dress up as our favorite book character. Remember, our coupon book fundraiser is going through the end of this week, so make sure you're selling lots of coupon books and win lots of prizes. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.